Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Safari, open the app and go straight to the tab overview. Tap the overlapping squares icon. This shows all open tabs and mode indicators. If the interface shows a darker background or a clear private label, you're in private mode. Once you confirm private is active, don't close tabs yet. Instead, decide if you want to keep any pages. Make sure you can see the private toggle. This control is what lets you switch modes without losing browsing state. Now change the mode. Tap the private label or the mode toggle within tab view to reveal normal or default tabs. You'll see options like Start Page or a specific tab group. Pick one to exit private mode. If you prefer, close any sensitive private tabs first by swiping them away, then switch. This prevents accidental reopening. Once you select a normal tab group, Safari returns to standard browsing and saves regular history. That's why choosing the right group matters before you finalize the switch. Finish by verifying the interface returns to the normal light background and that previously visited pages appear in history. This confirms private mode is off. If the toggle doesn't respond, force close Safari and reopen it. This often clears a stuck state. Make sure your iOS is up to date. Outdated software can cause UI glitches. If problems persist, restart your device. As a last step, update or reset Safari settings. One troubleshooting tip: closing all private tabs before switching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.